We're going to just slightly change the wording of this question to make it more like a mental math non-calculator question. There's no way that you can estimate this to the nearest tenth correctly without a calculator. And if you're using a calculator, it's not really an estimate anymore. You pretty much know you have the right answer. So more typically, if this would be on a non-calculator part of your test, the same kind of question, it would ask something like this. Between which two integers are positive and negative whole numbers, is log 5 of 100. In other words, is log 5 of 100 between 5 and 6, 3 and 4, 1 and 2? Where would we find it? So the way that we would figure this out is we would use our powers chart. From your powers chart, you know that log 5 of 25 would be 2, because this is basically 5 squared equals 25. And you know that 5 cubed is 125, so that tells us that log 5 of 125 is 3. So the answer to this question is that log 5 of 100 has to be somewhere between 2 and 3. You might guess, oh, I think it's closer to 100, so you might guess 2.7, right? To find out what is exactly, you would have to use your log base 5 of 100, and it's 2.86. But there's no way that you could come up with 2.9 mental math-wise based on what we know so far. So estimating it to the nearest tenth isn't really an estimate if you're using your calculator. Boy, circle questions 13 and 15.
Sorry for the interruption. Semester 2 Hockey Academy students, please make your way down.